Hello students, in the previous lecture we discussed about the solution of linear equations in two variables by matrix method. Now in today's lecture I will tell you about solution of linear equation in three variables by matrix method. Okay, I am taking one of the questions from 4.6, question number 12. These are the given system of equations. We have to write them in the form of Ax is equal to B first, where matrix A is 1 minus 1 1 first row, 2 1 minus 3 second, 1 1 1 third, and matrix X is a matrix of variables x, y and z. Matrix B is matrix of constants 4 0 2. In these kind of question we find first of all determinant of A. Determinant of A 1, I am expanding it by first row, 1 1 plus 3 plus 1 2 plus 3 plus 1 2 minus 1. So what we get? We get 10. 10 is not equal to 0. So we can say that A is non-singular. And if A is non-singular, A inverse exists. After this step, we move further to find adjoint A. For adjoint A, I need cofactors. And there are 9 elements. We will be having 9 cofactors also. A11 will be positive. You have to leave this column and this row and cross multiply the remaining determinant. 1 plus 3, it is 4. A12, second element, negative 2 plus 3 minus 5. A13, this element, positive 2 minus 1 1. Now A21 negative minus 1 minus 1, it is plus 2. A22 positive 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. A23 is negative 1 plus 1 minus 2. Right? Now A31, it is positive. A31 3 minus 1 2. A32, this element negative minus 3 minus 2, we get plus 5. And then A33, last element, positive 1 plus 2, we get 3. Okay, now what I have to do? Adjoint A is equal to, write the cofactors in the same order, 4 minus 5 1, 2 0 minus 2, 2 5 3. After that what we have to do? We have to take its transpose, change the rows and columns. 4 minus 5 1, 2 0 minus 2, 2 5 3. Now I have got adjoint A. After that A inverse. Adjoint A, what is the formula for A inverse? Adjoint A upon determinant A. 1 upon 10, determinant A was 10. 4 2 2 minus 5 0 5, 1 minus 2 3. Now from equation first, Ax is equal to B. How can we find x? X is written as A inverse B, means I have to multiply A inverse by matrix B. Okay. 1/10 4 2 2 minus 5 0 5 1 minus 2 3. B matrix is 4 0 2. Now you have to simply multiply them. 4 into 4 16, 2 into 0 0, 2 into 2 4, minus 5 into 4 minus 20, 0 into 0 0, 5 into 2 10, 1 into 4 4, minus 2 into 0 0, 3 into 2 6. 1/10 20 minus 10 10. Now what will you do? You will divide each term by 10, and what we get? 2 minus 1 1. And what is this? This is our matrix X. X is equal to 2 minus 1 1. What was X? It is X Y Z, and it is equal to 2 minus 1 1. So what can we say? X is equal to 2, Y is equal to minus 1, and Z is equal to 1. This is the required solution. Okay. Now again I am doing one more problem. These problems can also come. This is a word problem. We will have to convert the given problem into simple linear equation. After that we will have to follow the same method. Okay. I am reading the statement. The cost of 4 kg onion, 3 kg wheat and 2 kg rice is rupees 60. Cost of 2 kg onion, 4 kg wheat and 6 kg rice is rupees 90. Cost of 6 kg onion, 2 kg wheat and 3 kg rice is rupees 70. Find cost of each item per kg by matrix method. तो हमें क्या गिवन है? 4 kg अनियन, 3 kg wheat और 2 kg राइस की टोटल जो कॉस्ट है वो 60. सिमिलरली फॉर अदर्स. तो व्हाट विल वी कंसिडर? Let cost of onion per kg be rupees X. Cost of wheat per kg be rupees Y. Cost of rice per kg be rupees Z. Now how can we frame the equations? We are given 4 kg onion means 4x, 3 kg wheat means 3y, 2 kg rice 2z, and total cost is equal to 60. This is our first equation. Okay. Then cost of 2 kg onion 2x, 4 kg wheat 4y, 6 kg rice 6z is equal to rupees 90. 6x. Next 6 kg onion 6x, 2 kg wheat 2y, 3 kg rice 3z is 70. Now we have got the same problem as we have done in the previous questions. Again you will write them in the form of Ax is equal to B, where matrix A is 4 3 2, 2 4 6, 6 2 3. x is equal to x, y, z, and b is equal to 60, 90, 70. Right? Now we have got a, x and b. Again, first of all we will find determinant a. Again I am expanding by first row. 4, 12 minus 12, minus 3, 6 minus 36, plus 2, 4 minus 24. 2 into 2, 4, minus 24. 12 minus 12, these terms become 0. Minus 30 into minus 3, plus 90. Minus 20 into 2, minus 40. And what we get? 50, which is not equal to 0. Means matrix A is non-singular, implies that A inverse exists. Right? Now again I will have to form cofactors for adjoint A. A11 positive, 12 minus 12, it is 0. A12 negative, 6 minus 36, 30. A13 2 positive, 4 minus 24, minus 20. Now A21, this element, negative, 9 minus 4, minus 5. A22, this element, positive, 12 minus 12. कोफैक्टर्स तो मैंने तुम्हें बता रखे हैं ना पहले, उसी मेथड से ही फाइंड कर रही हूँ. A23 नेगेटिव, 4 into 2 8 minus 18, so we get plus 10. Okay, now A31 positive, 18 minus 8, sorry 8, it is 10. A32 negative, 24 minus 4, minus 20. A33 16 पॉजिटिव रहेगा, 16 minus 6, 10. Now I have got all cofactors. 0, 30 minus 20, minus 5, 0, 10, 10 minus 20, 10. Write them in order. 0, 30 minus 20, minus 5, 0, 10, 10 minus 20, 10. After this I will have to take transpose, and its transpose will be 0, 30 minus 20, minus 5, 0, 10, 10 minus 20, 10. This is our adjoint A. After this I will find A inverse. A inverse is adjoint A upon determinant A. Determinant A was 1 upon 50. 0 minus 5 10 30 0 minus 20 minus 20 10 10. Again from equation first, ax is equal to b, तो x will be equal to a inverse b, तो you will multiply a inverse 1 upon 50 0 minus 5 10 30 0 minus 20 minus 20 10 10. b 60 90 70, 1 upon 50 multiply 0 into 60 0 minus 5 into 90 minus 450 10 into 70 plus 700 30 into 60 1800 0 into 90 0 minus 20 into 70 minus 1400 minus 20 into 60 minus 1200 10 into 90 plus 900 10 into 70 plus 700. So 700 minus 450, it's 250. $1800 minus 1400, it's 400. 9 and 7 16, 16 minus 12 400. Divide each term by this 50, 5 8 8. Right. So what are we getting? X is equal to 588, and what is this? This is x y z is equal to 588, means x is equal to 5, y is equal to 8, z is equal to 8. So cost of first आइटम क्या थी? अनियन per kg is ₹5. Cost of wheat per kg is ₹8. Cost of rice per kg is ₹8. Similarly, you have to do all questions of this exercise. Same method will be adopted. Okay.